Hello again, and we will start talking about this video series in this particular video as an introduction to this subject. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to briefly talk in advance about what subjects will be covered in the subsequent videos so that you know exactly what to expect from this playlist. And we will start from the Yurt origin and evolution. This is a very interesting subject for me because there are many attempts on the internet and in literature to explain how the yurts came about, what uh, what were the early stages of development of the yurt, and how the modern yurts design finally developed. And particularly, I singled out uh, three theories about about the original and evolution of the yurt design, uh, and we will be talking more about them because this is interesting. The next subject will be the yurt types and differences, and here we will be talking about the so-called yurts versus gers or gers, because yurts are considered Turkic design and gers are considered Mongol design. But this is not also plain and simple, so we will kind of dig a little bit deeper into this subject. We will be talking about yurt parts and assembly, the order of assembly, which parts connect to which parts, and how it all comes together. We will talk about the frame, the wooden frame, and the felt cover, the clothing of the yurt, the dressing. And we will also talk about the yurt making process and the felt making process, how the technology, the tools that were used for that. We will cover that. Uh, Also, we will talk about yurt design and performances because it's a relatively small and relatively weak structure. It's not made of stone or wood logs or something. It's very simple, very light structure, and yet it's so resilient, and its design is so good that it survived without major changes through millennia. So we will talk about what makes it so good and so versatile. We will also talk about yurts and transportation because this is a rarely spoken subject, and that which is unfortunate because yurts are meant to be mobile, they are meant to be portable. That's the basis, the main idea behind their design. So when we talk about yurts, we always have to talk about transportation, how they were moved from site to site, and we'll talk about it later. Also, it's impossible to understand the yurt and its significance and its meaning without understanding the nomadic lifestyle as a whole, what it's all about, what differences between what are the different types of migration, nomadic migrations. For example, there was a meridian migration, there was horizontal or altitudinal migration, there was circular migration, and all of these migrations influence the type of yurt and how it was used in the nomadic lifestyle. We will talk about the current state of yurt affairs, so to speak, what the modern designs are using modern materials and modern technological approaches, and we will cover few basic types. And then finally, we will wrap it up with what the yurts and their further evolution in the future might be. So please stay with me. As you can see, that's quite a big amount of subjects to cover, and I hope it will be interesting. Whether you are just a yurt beginner or yurt expert, yurt advanced, I think you might find a lot of this information useful because I am from the region. I speak the Yurt language, and I've been in contact with unique Yurt experts who trained me a lot and taught me a lot about Yurts, information that you probably won't find anywhere else on the internet, and especially in the English language sector. So please stay with me, and I'll take you through this Yurt journey with me. Thank you.